Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to tell you about the smartest blockbuster business model. You don't need a product, but funds will still come flowing in. You pay rupees 50 lakhs, but get properties worth 2,000 crore in that year, which today are worth 5,000 crore. You raise your heart and get Sabka Saath. For this, either you are the smartest businessman or your surname is Gandhi. It's not me saying this. This is what's tumbling out of the National Herald closet. After the ED made Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi as accused number 1 and 2 in the money laundering case, today we get you documents which will show the alleged loot of the tax coffers. Let's tell you about the Gandhis' National Herald jackpot. The Congress-run Himachal government has given an answer in the assembly about ad expenditure. The Department of Information and PR, which answers directly to the Chief Minister, Sukhu, has said that the state paid for rupees 97.9 lakhs for ads to National Herald in 2 years. In addition, it paid rupees 36 lakhs ads to its affiliate Navjeevan. That comes to a whopping 1.34 crore in ads. A closer look at the reply reveals that different payments were made on the same days. Like on 29th of October 2024, the state made 2 different payments, which came to 6.3 lakhs. Again, on the 18th of February 2025, 2 separate payments were paid to the tune of over 13 lakh rupees. What's wrong, you might just ask? Why am I getting into these small numbers? After all, it's only a few lakhs. Remember, Himachal Pradesh has a debt of over 1.02 lakh crores. While people bear the brunt of the Khatakhat taxes, this is how their taxes are being used to pay for advertisements to a newspaper which doesn't exist and a website that's visited only by a few simply because the subscribers of the newspapers who were Congresswalas did not subscribe to the newspaper, which is why it went into losses and shut down in 2008. But readers are coming in hordes and advertisements are coming out of nowhere. Let's tell you how the BJP has lashed out at the Congress for misusing public funds to fill their National Herald ATM.
कांग्रेस पार्टी में मित्र लोग हैं, they started howling from the rooftops that this is a case of vendetta. मैं उनको सिर्फ ये एडवाइस देना चाहता हूं, थोड़ी इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करें.
क्या नेशनल हेराल्ड कांग्रेस पार्टी का एटीएम हो गया, जहां के कांग्रेस के अलग अलग राज्यों की सरकारें उसमें पैसा डाल रही हैं? और जहां तक राहुल गांधी जी अपना खटाखट मॉडल की बात करते थे ना, अब ये कांग्रेस शासित राज्यों में खटारा, बीमार और लाचार मॉडल हो गया है. अगर ये अखबार छपता ही नहीं, दिखता नहीं, बिकता नहीं, तो इसके लिए इतना विज्ञापन क्यों दिया जाता है?
It shows that it is a criminal act and having a property more than 2,000 crores with illegal ways. For that purpose, ED started investigation.
But under attack, what did Chief Minister Sukhu have to say? Watch how he roared in defiance that National Herald हमारा है या नहीं है, पैसा फिर भी जाएगा.
आपने विज्ञापन भी दिया है नेशनल हेराल्ड को.
नेशनल हेराल्ड हमारी अपनी अखबार है, हम उसमें खूब विज्ञापन देते रहेंगे. नेशनल हेराल्ड हमारी अपनी अखबार है, हम उसमें खूब विज्ञापन देते रहेंगे.
As per sources, the Enforcement Directorate's summary of charges alleges AJL, Associated Journals Limited, claimed to have revenues of 29.45 crores from ads between 2017-18 to 2020-21. Rupees 15.8 crore was received from various Congress affiliates. Donors say they had paid on instructions of Congress leaders. Some deposed before the Enforcement Directorate that the money was paid to seek protection money from Congress leaders. Most of the advertisements don't really become commensurate with their businesses itself. ads were mostly congratulatory messages and birthday wishes to Congress top leaders. So the BJP is asking question that this is the Khatakhat Hafta model of the Gandhis. But when Times Now dared to ask questions to the Parivar, even on why Robert Vadra was being called to the Enforcement Directorate and if he just had anything to say. After all, he's been saying he's being targeted because he supports minorities. So reporters just asked him, anything to say on why you are being hounded? They turned to us. Watch the Gandhi Damad, Robert Vadra, what he said to our reporter when he dared to ask him about the land deals for which he was being questioned. Watch how offensive against me was his best defense.
दो सवाल थे।
भैया टाइम्स नाउ ने कभी भी हमारे लिए कुछ अच्छा बोला है?
सर हम लोग तो
नाविका को बोलो पहले अच्छा बोले। नहीं सुनो, उनको बोलिए पहले अच्छा बोलिए हमारे, उसके बाद हम आपसे बात करेंगे। नाविका को बोलो पहले अच्छा बोले। नहीं सुनो, उनको बोलिए पहले अच्छा बोलिए हमारे, उसके बाद हम आपसे बात करेंगे।
अच्छा बोलती हूँ, बहुत अच्छा बोलती हूँ, पर मुझे 90 करोड़ का लोन नहीं चाहिए ना, इसीलिए कुछ अच्छा नहीं बोला। लोन के बिना जीवन अभी तक तो ठीक ठाक चल रहा है। वाड्रा जी, आपसे तो यही पूछ रहे थे कि अगर आपको कुछ कहना है ईडी के बारे में, अब वो आप नहीं कहना चाहते, आपकी मर्जी। बट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, the Motorola legitimate question that we are asking on the news hour tonight. The Gandhi Parivar and its Damad face serious charges of graft. Yet they expect that Times Now should khatakhat run positive stories about them. So the question we are asking, can the Parivar be above probity? That's the question and that's the debate on the other.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Radhika Khera, national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author. Also joining me tonight, Vivek Silas, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. With me in the studios, as is Vivek Srivastava, political analyst. Also joining me, Professor Anwar Pasha, national spokesperson of the RJD. But my first question goes to my friend, Congress supporter, Tehseen Poonawalla. Tehseen Poonawalla, I love the business model of National Herald. There is no profit, so it gets loans from the Congress party. There is, there is somebody who wants to loan that money, the money of the loan which it wants to return. It buys a company for 50 lakh rupees. You know, what's going on? Can't you please give us this simple model so that we can have our own startups and all of India then can enjoy 90 crores loan, 50 lakhs mein kharido, and then assets worth 5,000 crores are theirs. There are many newspapers and television channels in Noida Film City making losses. Can the Congress party please give them some loans as well?
Thank you, Navika ji, for having me on the show. 3 issues. It's not the way you put it. This was a newspaper associated with the Congress and with the freedom struggle of India. Therefore, the Congress party decided in 2007-8 to revive this newspaper. To do that, it had to first give VRS and pay off certain bills, electricity bills, etc., which is why a debt of 90 crore rupees was given by the Congress party to associated journals. This is not a one-time, this is not 90 crores given in one shot. It was over a period of 6 or 7 years, and BRS was given, people were asked to leave. That's the first thing. Obviously, because the newspaper had to restart, they had to, and there was a 90 crore debt which associated journals could not pay back. Therefore, comes in Young India, a not-for-profit company, which converted debt to equity, something which the government of India did with your money, my money, in Idea Vodafone and several other things, which is legitimate. Young India, of course, from being a not-for-profit company, cannot take the rentals home, cannot take dividends home. We are aware of all of those facts. Shareholders cannot take any profits home. That's not even what the ED is saying. So what is the case that the BJP tries to present, or the ED through WhatsApp tries to present? The only case is it says, look, Associate Journals has some assets. One, those assets are government assets leased out to Associated Journals. It cannot be sold. Number two, the first resolution of Young India says that it cannot take over any assets of Associated Journals. So that is how it is. So there is zero case, which is why the Gandhis have continuously got relief from the court. That's why they have not been arrested. In fact, in any ED case, you're guilty until proven innocent. And courts have repeatedly asked the government, please get us evidence. There are serious allegations, serious charges. Investigate them. They haven't been quashed, the cases, but the Gandhis have always got relief. Now, let me just ask one question.
They got relief always. Why are they on the streets? The case will die its natural death in the court of law. Why do they need to hit the streets, number one? Number two, you are saying assets cannot be transferred. All right. Even if I were to take your point completely on face value, the profits or the business details... Okay, Anand Ranganathan has a problem with me saying something. You know, they can earn income through that. They can earn income. They've rented out the properties to JSW and other big companies. I want to ask you, that can accrue to the owners of Young India. So you don't need to transfer the assets, but the money can keep flowing in. Number two, I want to also ask you, paper is getting advertisements from a government which is in debt, from a government which puts toilet tax, from a government that does not have enough money to pay Sarkari employees time to time. That government in Himachal Pradesh is giving ads. Now, how cute is that, Anand Ranganathan?
Ma'am, may I just reply to that one point before you go to Anand?
No, Tehseen, please.
Sure.
Tehseen. Yes, couple of points. Navika, in fact, 3 points. Number one, can you please say something positive about Mr. Robert Vadra? I mean, you know, the sky is the limit now. This is ridiculous. You know, सबके बारे में अच्छा कहती रहती है, लेकिन रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के बारे में अच्छा.
आपको क्या लगता है? I'm in the business of giving pravachans.
I wish.
Am I in the business of giving pravachans? Number one. If I were to say something nice, will the boycott on me be removed? I will say nice things. But if somebody is coming out of the ED's office, tell me, I'm giving him a platform. My reporter is asking him a question to say whatever he wants to say, nice or otherwise. Even then he has a problem with me. Ab main kya karu? What can I do? My name is Navika and I am a journalist. I do what I do. What can I do to improve my performance in front of Mr. Robert Vadra?
It's his birthday today.
Okay. Nice things about him. Very happy birthday, Robert Vadra. But, you know, you think the boycott on me will go? I mean, not that I'm, expecting him to influence that, but never mind. Anand.
No, but Navika, boycott भले ही ना हटे, लेकिन FIR तो नहीं लगेंगे आप पे. So, you know, say something nice. It's Friday, it's weekend. आप नहीं कहेंगे, मैं कह देता हूँ. I wish Mr. Robert Vadra a very happy birthday, and I wish multiple occasions where he shells out 5 crores and get assets worth 50 crores. बहुत फले फूलो. अब मैं 3 चीजें कहना चाहता हूँ. एक ये थोड़ा सा फैक्चुअल ये है कि नेशनल हेरल्ड एक्चुअली 2 प्रिंट न्यूज़पेपर्स भी पब्लिश करता है, नेशनल हेरल्ड ऑन संडे एंड नवजीवन ऑन संडे. So they do have physical newspapers on which they carry ad budgets. ये नेशनल हेरल्ड की वेबसाइट से ही उनका एडवर्टाइजमेंट कार्ड मैंने डाउनलोड किया है. फुल फ्रंट पेज का 10 लाख चार्ज करते हैं. तो सारे तेलंगाना के चीफ मिनिस्टर, आपके कांग्रेस अदर रूल स्टेट्स के चीफ मिनिस्टर, हिमाचल के, और एक और स्टेट है मैं भूल रहा हूं कांग्रेस का जो अभी तक है, कर्नाटका. इसीलिए मैंने कहा अभी तक है, बट वो पता नहीं कितने 6 महीने में रही ना रहे. इनको स्टैंडिंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं कि भैया 10 लाख रुपए का फ्रंट पेज एड आप पब्लिश करिए संडे के संडे. बट तहसीन ने क्या कहा देखिए. Now I want to expose my good friend Tehseen. He says the assets of Associated Journals cannot be used. 2 points out here.
Transferred.
Who decides it cannot be used? There is one line in the cannot be transferred. There is one line. Yeah, fine. 1 second, Tehseen. Number one, if it cannot be transferred, can you explain the sleight of hands where the assets were put as collateral to to buy a property in Panchkula. 400 crore rupees worth of National Herald house was put as collateral. If you cannot transfer a property or use that money financially, you are using it as a collateral, number one. Number two, if Rahul Gandhi promises to change the constitution of India, to break the Supreme Court's limit on reservation, do you think he cannot change a piddly little line saying that assets cannot be used? So Tehseen, you are wrong factually on both counts.
Well,
can I reply quickly?
Okay, respond, Tehseen.
There are two questions that Anand has asked, and Anand made the argument for me. So Anand, thank you for the argument. Anand's argument ended with Rahul Gandhi can commit a crime in the future. And yes, anyone can commit a crime, but you cannot punish today for a crime that can be committed tomorrow. For that, he'll have to change the piddly little line in your Anand Sunday, the piddly little line to quote you. And Navika ji, the one point you made, the assets being rented out to JSW or other things. As long as the rent is used for the objective, which is the newspaper which comes out, which is what Anand has said, the newspaper comes out. That is fine. The rent cannot be taken by the shareholders. That is the Young India criteria. So I hope I've clarified on both those counts. But you cannot punish somebody for a crime to take place, Anand. You can't have a futuristic crime in anticipation, a punishment today. I hope you'll appreciate that.
Don't try to, go around in circles and put our viewers through this big merry-go-round that you are spinning around them. Radhika Khera, Tehseen Poonawala's first point was that this is a party, this is a newspaper which was part of the freedom struggle. Yet, not one of those people who were part of the freedom struggle got anything out of this. Everything went to who? Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Oscar Fernandez, Motilal Vora. Now the two gentlemen have passed away, so everything stays in the Gandhi family. Nothing to the families of the freedom fighters. तो वो तो freedom fighters की तो कहानी खत्म हो गई. दूसरी बात, if it was doing such good work during the freedom struggle, the least they would have impressed would be Sardar Patel, who they just sang paeans about in Gujarat CWC. What did Sardar Patel say to Nehru? He said these about the Himalayan Airways from where money was taken and National Herald was established. And then he wrote a letter to Nehru saying that there are problems wherein graft is taking place in National Herald and this does not augur well. And when he asked this detail, you know what Jawaharlal Nehru responded to him at that time? He wrote, I have not had the time to really get into this in detail. So what have I done? I have had no time to inquire deeply into this matter. But as Firoz Gandhi happened to be here, I asked him about it. So it's the Gandhi Parivar's control is not from today. It is from Sardar Patel's time. And if it was such a freedom fight, that National Herald was doing, they couldn't even impress Sardar Patel. And today they are trying to impress the entire nation with National Herald's contribution to the freedom struggle. Radhika Khera और सुक्खू जी ने 2.5 करोड़ 2.5 crore rupees दे दिए to a non-existent newspaper. How? Where? What? No answer.
Navika ji, the National Herald is not just a case or a scam. It's a full-blown heist which has been executed in broad daylight by India's most entitled political dynasty. Now, there are a few things that I'd like to clarify here. Let's start with Tehseen. Tehseen is a very good dear friend, but he mentioned that every time the court has given them relief, the Gandhis, and the ED has not been able to prove anything. Well, let me remind him, on December 7, 2015, the Delhi High Court dismissed the petitions that were filed by Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, and the court also observed that the acquisition of AGL by Young India evidences a criminal intent. It evidences a criminal intent. So that is what the court also said. Now, having said that, I'm glad you brought up Mr. Sukkhu. So the buck doesn't stop at Mr. Sukkhu. I was a member of the Congress party for 22 years, and I can tell you with utmost responsibility over here that every member of the Congress party was forcefully asked to take a subscription of the National Herald English and Hindi newspapers with a promise that a copy would be delivered every week to our houses or whatever address was given. First 2 weeks, Those papers were delivered to us, but after that, no one saw a physical copy of those newspapers ever. We kept renewing our subscriptions because it was a fixed amount that was given to us, whether you're a Youth Congress office bearer, and you were given tasks. Every person had to make so many member subscriptions. If you're a National General Secretary, you have to put in so much money as a Youth Congress National General Secretary. A state National Secretary has a इतना भैया आपका इतना है, आपने इतने मेंबर बनाने हैं, इतनी सब्सक्रिप्शन और इतना पैसा जमा करना है. If you're a state youth congress president, then you have to ensure that so much money comes in. This was the scam and nobody got a paper. See, if it's a paper, you're running it, run it like a there should be a newspaper. Every political party should have a newspaper. There's nothing wrong. But those newspapers never reached anyone. There were no copies. हाँ, 2-4 कॉपी होती थी जो एक आध बार कभी आपको AICC के किसी दफ्तर में पढ़ी हुई मिल जाएंगी. But that was all. Nobody ever got those subscriptions. So it was a scam where money was collected not only by these states where they're in power, but by the poor workers also. And tasks were given. So it is a very huge thing, and I'm sure Mr. Tehseen knows about it. He may not want to highlight it over here, but this is a very well-known fact in the Congress. Well, having said that, now Mr. Sukhu, just imagine the audacity of that man. Huh?
Yes, he says हमारा अखबार है, हमारा अखबार है, हम देंगे पैसे, आप अपनी जेब से नहीं दे रहे. It is taxpayers' money, my friend. Taxpayers' money.
इस देश की विरासत है. वो अखबार है जिससे आजादी की लड़ाई लड़ी गई. एंड इफ दे वांट टू प्रिजर्व द ब्रांड, देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट. साइरस मिस्त्री और रतन टाटा के बीच में लड़ाई हुई जब, तो इसी वजह से थी कि साइरस मिस्त्री सेड सेल ऑफ द ताज होटल इन मुंबई, इट इज इन लॉसेस. एंड रतन टाटा सेड ये हमारी हेरिटेज है. जब इस मुल्क में हिंदुस्तानियों को उन होटल्स में अलाउ नहीं करते थे जहां अंग्रेज हैं.
I want to ask you whose money is it? Mr. Sukhu. Mr. Sukhu is running a government. Yes, Anand.
केरला क्या केरला कर रहे हो यार? देश की विरासत है, आपको पता नहीं. नहीं, एक सेकंड. नो, लिसन टू मी फर्स्ट. अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी ने क्लियर कहा it's a not for profit company. A not profit company cannot take the property which belong to National Herald.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
इंडिया ने नहीं लिया कुछ भी.
Stop scamming the citizens of India.
हाँ, नहीं, कोई स्कैम नहीं है, झूठ मत बताइए आप.
Scamming the citizens of India.
जो प्रॉपर्टी थी वैसी है.
10 lakh rupees for a front page ad. 10 lakh rupees for a front page ad is
sir. No, yes, maybe.
What do you mean maybe?
You have an online newspaper, National Herald, still there. It is raising the issues which are against the BJP government. राधिका खेड़े जी जरा मुझे बताइए, बहादुर शाह जफर मार्ग पे यहाँ पर नेशनल हेराल्ड की बिल्डिंग है, लखनऊ में है, उससे किराया आ रहा है. मुझे आप बताइए किराया किसके नाम पे आ रहा है, और आप प्रूव करिए कि वो सोनिया गांधी या राहुल गांधी के नाम पे आ रहा है. नहीं आ रहा है. ये झूठ है, ये झूठ है. I want the BJP spokesperson who was formerly in the Congress to tell me who's collecting the
his question is, can you prove that rentals from these buildings are coming in the name of Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi? Please respond to him. Please respond.
Yes, and I have the papers and I'll tell you कि रेंट किसके नाम पे आ रहा है. अब आप बताइए जो झूठ आप लोग चला रहे हैं, किसके नाम पे रेंट आ रहा है?
सर, आपको इतनी क्यों तकलीफ?
आपसे क्या मतलब है मैडम? आप अपने काम से काम रखिए ना. मेरा इंडिया अलायंस का पार्टनर है वो,
क्या इस बात
तो मैं लड़ूंगा उसके लिए, कांग्रेस के लिए.
मिल रहा है क्या जो आपको
क्या प्रॉब्लम है मैडम?
इतना दर्द और इतना गुस्सा
बिल्कुल है मैडम,
जिसका कोई शहर
वो अखबार जो देश के लिए लड़ा, मुझे दर्द है. आप जिस पार्टी में हैं वो देश की आजादी की लड़ाई में कभी नहीं लड़ी, इसलिए आपको दर्द नहीं हो रहा.
स्क्रीमिंग, पानी पीजिए.
आप बताइए,
पानी पीजिए, हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा नहीं है.
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. आपके पास जब आंसर नहीं है ना, डोंट ट्राई टू डाइवर्ट. आप बताइए किराया किसके नाम पे आ रहा है?
चिल्लाएंगे
मैडम,
सब मना करते हैं. अपनी धैर्य रखे, चिल्लाने से आप सही नहीं होंगे. नाविका जी, I would like to add a few things to what I said.
किराया किसके नाम पे आ रहा है?
Okay, let her respond.
You listed out a lot of people over here, but you missed out one very important person, a very important team member of Rahul Gandhi, Kanish Singh, who was running the government during Dr. Manmohan Singh's tenure, sitting in a Honda City outside Lodi Garden, and Tehseen, my friend, is very well aware of it. His involvement will also, in the times to come out.
You don't have answers, madam. आपने एलिगेशन लगाया था कि किराए का पैसा सोनिया गांधी, राहुल गांधी खा रहे हैं. आप या तो माफी मांगिए यहाँ
nation
पर।
has been answering every Congress and every left party with the answer with their vote. So you don't
have
ask me.
answers.
No, you don't need to ask me. And when I'm talking, don't interrupt.
My friend,
आपके पास कोई answer नहीं है, madam.
this entire matter, this 1 minute, Vivek Srivastava ji, this entire matter is before the court.
Yes.
Okay. Then you have to respond to all this in the court.
हो
Do
रहा
you
है.
agree?
बिल्कुल हो रहा
So
है.
this will be decided by the court
Yes.
whether the BJP is
Yes.
right or you are right.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I want to ask you, and I want to ask you, Anwar Pasha ji, if everything is before the courts of India and the courts have not quashed this case, why is the Congress on the streets? Because the bail application went in 2015. They stalled all of Delhi by coming and protesting on the roads. They said vendetta because the new government had come in 2014, even though the case is of 2013. In 2015, they said this is vendetta. From 2015 to 2025, uske baad charge sheet hoti hai. Even then, this is vendetta. If you do it fast, there's a problem. If you do it slow, there is a problem. And if the matter is before the courts and the courts have to adjudicate, and today they have stood up and said that, nobody can talk against the courts and all that. Why are they protesting? Why are they protesting on the streets? Let the matter be discussed in court.
Navika ji, good evening to you and your viewers and all the co-panelists.
Good evening, sir.
I think the question and the kind of propaganda and the kind of canard is being spread by your channel as well as by the spokesperson of the BJP and other friends of BJP. This is nothing. The country knows all such tactics are intimidatory tactics. The motive behind such actions and such tactics is to bully the opposition parties, to intimidate the opposition parties and their leaders. BJP is very desperate. BJP is very desperate after the result of 2024 of the parliament, and they are losing their grounds, and they are using ED against the opposition leaders, to intimidate the opposition leaders. What is the credibility of ED today? What is the credibility? What is the conviction rate? 2%.
Of the case,
this shows
of the cases that have been adjudicated, 94%, sir.
Against the Congress. 2% is the conviction rate of ED cases.
Those 2%. Cases are pending before the court, sir. Please correct your data,
what
sir.
What happened to Hemant Soren?
And
you put him behind.
And you are saying BJP is losing ground. It's in power for the third time. You are in opposition for the third time, but BJP is losing ground.
You lost Mr. Hemant Soren from chief ministership for the 6 months. And what happened? What was the court verdict? What ED did? ED is just an instrument in the hands of BJP to intimidate the opposition parties. Opposition parties will fight. They will never bow down before ED or before the BJP government.
Okay.
And the glaring example is there in Bihar. The Bihar, the more you will target the opposition leaders, the more our popularity would go high. Our popularity of the leaders will go high. The glaring example is the Bihar. See, voters report says that Shri Tejasvi Yadav is the top. He is on the top of all leaders. He is the top popular most leaders in Bihar. Okay. And this is very disturbing for the BJP.
Oh.
All allegations
so it is disturbing for the BJP, Anand Ranganathan, that Tejasvi Yadav is popular in Bihar, which is very disturbing for the BJP, which is why the BJP is going against the Congress party on the National Herald case. Does this make any sense to you? And the fact that the BJP is losing ground, but for the third time they are in government and, all of these parties are in the opposition, but BJP is losing ground. Please, samjha dijiye.
Navika, it makes as much sense as you putting garam masala while making Tamilian sambar. But let me come to the main crux of the point. Let me address first of all my good friend Vivek Srivastava. Let him decide, is he for Congress or against Congress? Because it is the Congress in opposition in Kerala that is accusing of a massive scam related to the chief minister's daughter, Exologic Solutions, having taken crores of money. ED is investigating that. That is being supported by Vivek Srivastava. But out here, when National Herald is being paid taxpayers' money for government ads, that is also being supported by Vivek Srivastava. ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा विवेक, डिसाइड कर लो भाई, कांग्रेस के साथ हो या सीपीआईएम के साथ हो, या एक मॉडल आप भी अपना रहे हो कि देश के टैक्स पेयर्स का पैसा लूटो और चीफ मिनिस्टर्स को दो या कांग्रेस पार्टी को दो, ये डिसाइड कर लो। दूसरी बात बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट,
देशभक्ति बढ़ेगी
ना, 1 सेकंड, 30 सेकंड,
पैसे से देशभक्ति बढ़ेगी सर।
विवेक,
अच्छा,
देशभक्ति,
हाँ देशभक्ति बढ़ेगी।
कौन सी देशभक्ति? आप तो चाइना को सपोर्ट करते हो।
You know, since he's talking about Deshbhakti, Anand, I'll come to you, but I want to read out some of the headlines of National Herald in recent times. These headlines from National Herald actually say Disneyfication of Ayodhya. They blamed India for the Nijjaro, Deshbhakti. India is to be blamed, Canada is to be supported. Platform for anti-India views it has become. Undermining Indian institutions every day. Democracy is in danger every time they write. ये देशभक्ति है, ये इनकी, हाँ, ये इनकी देशभक्ति है। आनंद रंगनाथन,
तानाशाही की सरकार है, हम तो लिखेंगे और बोलेंगे। अच्छा, हमारा राइट है।
और कनाडा के सपोर्ट में बोलेंगे, चाइना के सपोर्ट में बोलेंगे, दैट इज देशभक्ति।
देशभक्त अखबार है, देशभक्त खबरें हैं,
अच्छा,
और दुनिया को पढ़नी चाहिए।
डिज्नीफिकेशन ऑफ अयोध्या इज देशभक्ति।
नहीं, प्राण प्रतिष्ठा as per BJP's timetable is
I ask a simple, you know, as they say. No, Vivek, this is very unfair.
Yes,
you know,
please. Okay.
Vivek, please don't heckle. I didn't heckle you.
Okay.
Please, आपको इंडिया चाइना रिलेशंस की कसम, प्लीज थोड़ा सा चांस दीजिए इंडियन को। देखिए नाविका, मैं एक सिंपल सी बात कहता हूं, एज दे से सीजर्स वाइफ हैज टू बी अबव सस्पिशन। इट्स अ सिंपल क्लियर कट केस ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। देयर इज अ न्यूज़पेपर बीइंग रन बाय कांग्रेस पार्टी वेयर द शेयर्स ऑफ the company that is running it are now held 98% by Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. Clear so far? Is there or is there not a conflict of interest when a Congress government is using taxpayers' money to pay to this Congress-run newspaper? Yes or no? And I don't want Vivek to answer because इनके तो loaded होते हैं। I want Tessin to answer।
एक पुराना अखबार 1938 का जो कर्जे में था, गांधी फैमिली ने तो अखबार को कर्जे से
fair and square question to you, Tessin Poonawalla. Please respond.
They get ads from everywhere, including all governments, including Congress governments. And is Anand for all governments?
Radhika Khera, आपकी सरकारें भी दे रही हैं।
But can I make
Radhika Khera, are your governments in BJP ruled states also giving ads to National Herald?
Just one point.
Because all governments would include there. So let me ask her.
No, but I just have one point to make, one important point.
केरला वाले दे रहे हैं नेशनल हेरल्ड को?
नहीं, ये तो अडानी साहब को इस तरफ ऐड देते हैं। अडानी साहब के चैनलों को ऐड जाती है भाजपा की, वही देशभक्ति है इनके हिसाब से। नेशनल हेरल्ड इनको नहीं दिखता।
अडानी आ गया बात,
चलो आ गया अडानी। इट्स लाइक गरम मसाला इन सांबर।
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट की तहसीन अब देखिए।
अरे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, गांधी फैमिली ने 90 करोड़ का लोन था, कैसे अपने सिर पे लिया है, समझे? और जो ये कर्जा था जो आप बार-बार कहते हैं,
so let me now let me ask this question, fundamental question to you, Vivek Silas. Political parties are part of a system where they are outside the tax net. Okay, they get income tax holidays because they are political parties doing political work of maintaining democracy in this country. Are they in the business of lending? Have banks in this country shut down? Can political parties do business with business? Because Associated Journal Limited, whether it produces a newspaper or not, it is a company. Just like Times Now is a company, that is the Times Network. Now Times Now is a company. हमें भी लोन दे दो भाई, आपके पास तो इतना पैसा आता है डोनर से, give us that money. सुक्खू जी को बोल दीजिए हमें भी ऐड दे दें। I want to ask you, can political parties give loans? Are they in the business of giving loans? And when loans are not repaid, a new company is established in 50 lakh rupees. It buys all the loan and the company, everything. Ram Naam Japna, Paraya Maal Apna.
As far as I know about the National Herald, you know, it was started during the British time. and it was started with the motive that most of the media at that time were with the Britishers. They were called the doggy media. They were with the Britishers. So this was started with in Urdu, Hindi and English. You know, in 2014, you are right, 1st August 2014, the ED started a case against, the National Herald people. And in August 2015, they had to say that we have not found any trace of, money laundering. But it might take 10 years for the ED, as the finance minister in the Lok Sabha said, that there are 193 cases against the political leaders of India, and only 2 have been convicted. That is the confidence of the ED or their way to do work. You said the blockbuster business model. You said mentioned in your opening statement. Yes, we have seen in Ayodhya in 2 hours a 2 crore land was sold for 22 crores. That is a blockbuster, business model for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the name of Lord Ram. That is the reality. Defense land given to Adani in Ayodhya, Kaudiyon ke bhav mein. Defense very close to the Pakistani border, land given to Adani for factories, in which the entire, the defense constitution was changed, And at the moment, the worry, the concern, the apprehension, the nervousness of the Bharatiya Janata Party, I'll tell you what. Just after the Waqf board, the Waqf board bill that was passed in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, you know what happened in the Rajya Sabha? The India Alliance had only 81 votes there. And finally, how much vote did we get? We got 95 votes. Right. Because political parties like the BJD, that the KCR, YSRCP, they all supported the India Alliance. That is the worry of the Bharatiya Janata Party, because if at all even one big partner falls out of the Bharatiya Janata Party, this government is going to fall.
Radhika Khera, you need to respond to this, but before that, two questions coming in from our viewers. Suresh Taneja asking this question: why shouldn't they be behind bars like any ordinary person? Also, Nijit asking this question: why should anyone be treated above the law in this country? These are questions that people are asking, but Radhika Khera, please respond. Is this really political? There is no basis to the case.
Let me start with responding to the man who had asked me to prove the rental agreement was on, the rent was going to Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. It's like let me just explain it to him. It's like saying ki Dawood is saying ki bhaiya, prove that the blood is on my hands and not my gang's hand. It's very laughable when you say that those two people who own 76% of the company, the directors of which are their puppets, and as for what they say, तो आप ये prove करिए. तो अगर आपको नहीं पता, it is not a street scam. Everybody knows that it is a very structured laundering that has come forward, and they did not stop. Even despite being caught, despite ED coming into it, even in 2018, they went on to do more frauds. Just look at the audacity of Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi and the Gandhi family. They think that they own the country and everybody else just has to bow down to them. They think that they are absolutely, think that they are entitled to own the country. And when it comes to whether it is a Mr. Sukhu or the Chief Minister of Karnataka, everybody is only paying this money is like protection money कि भाई हमारी कुर्सी बची रहे. पहले छत्तीसगढ़ की सरकार भी देती थी, भूपेश बघेल भी, भाई कुर्सी बचानी है ना. Because see how they play. The Gandhi family always appoints a person who's always scared कि मेरी कुर्सी जाएगी, फिर उससे पैसा खींचते रहो. और वो पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा है? उनके घर का तो है नहीं, वो पैसा देश की, प्रदेश की जनता का होता है. So it is very अच्छे से स्ट्रक्चर्ड तरीके से लॉन्ड्रिंग कर रहे हैं, और वो भी जनता की पैसे की. और ये इंडिपेंडेंस के समय से गांधी परिवार करता आ रहा है. You read out what Nehru ji said, and you read out how the Gandhi family has been involved since then. So it is a structured laundering which has been happening right from the beginning, which is now being unearthed. and it is coming to the front, and now you have people asking on your show, Navika ji.
Absolutely, and we did a survey. We did a social media survey, and we asked the question: should Rahul and Sonia Gandhi be above any probe? And majority of the viewers have expressed that certainly law is the same for everybody, as for an ordinary person, so for Rahul and Sonia Gandhi, and they cannot be above board. That really is the overwhelming response from the people, the numbers showing on the screen there. But ladies and gentlemen, I only have one thing. Well, Mr. Robert Vadra, I'll speak nice things about you when I hear nice things about you. Right now, it's an investigation. Otherwise, you're not a political personality, part of parliament or politics formally. And therefore, we haven't really taken these things very seriously. Other than that, questions are, if there is a probe by the Enforcement Directorate, if there are cases that went to the courts and the courts have not stayed the investigation or shut those cases, then it is the right of every news media to carry these investigations, the stories, the developments, because people have the right to know. And if these probes are carrying on, can some individuals be above the law? The law treats everybody equally. Why should they not be questioned? Why should this matter not be adjudicated by the courts? Why are we on the streets? That's the question that the Congress party needs to answer. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on debate number 1.